In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted photos on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And let's say I accidentally deleted that photo, and let me show you now how to restore it. And I'll start from my home screen, and now all I have to do is to open up the Photos application and there scroll down to the very bottom until I find recently deleted album. Now there you see this log icon next to name of that album. It means that this album protected with Face ID. I can hit on that album to open it up. There I can use my face to identify that it's me, and there would be all recently deleted photos and that photos saved here for 30 days. And now here at the bottom of the photo you see the count of days that left until this photo will be deleted. So the last deleted photos will be on the last position right there. And now I can hold down on that photo and hit on recover to recover it to my albums. I can go back, open up recents and check that this photo is now here. And basically that's all about how to restore deleted photos on your iPhone, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.